Simplify. 0.6 to the power 2x plus 4 equals to 27 by 125 to the power minus 3. Very interesting math. This one, first against 0.6 we can write 6 by 10, and here is power 2 to the power 2x plus 4 equal this 27 we can write 3 cube, and 125 we can write 5 cube, and whole power minus 3. So 6 by 10, once we divide both side or both part by 2, so here is 3 and here is 5. It means 3 by 5 whole to the power 2x plus 4 equal, this is 3 to the power 3 and divide 4 to the power 5 to the power 3 and whole to the power minus 3. Against this one we can write 3 by 5 whole to the power minus what, 9. Okay, this is simple thing. Now look, here is 3 by 5 and here is also 3 by 5. So once base are same, that time power will be equal. Therefore we can write 2x plus 4 equal minus 9, right? Then 2x equals to 4 will go right side, so minus 9 and minus 4, it will be minus 13. Now we divide both sides by 2, so x equals to minus 13 by 2, and this is our